What is the output of this Python code? Is it going to generate error, or when we get to print z, is it going to print one of these numbers? So we need to find out. And if you look at the first line, we are defining 3 tuple in which there are 3 elements inside tuple 3, 2, 1, and we are assigning it to x. Now, next line, we are assigning x to a list in which the number of elements inside list is exactly matching the number of elements inside tuple. So because of this, the interesting thing is am becomes 3, so am is equal to 3, 2 is assigned to I, and then 1 is assigned to AI. So that's what happened after the second line. In the third line, we are saying z is equal to I+am+AI, I+am+AI, and then not equal to 1. So the important thing about this is understanding the operation precedence or operator precedence in Python. So plus, which is the addition, has higher precedence than not equal to. So it's wrong if we think that we are going to operate this way. This is wrong, because if we do this way, it means we are putting not equal to at higher precedence or importance than plus, which is not true. What is the right way of doing it is we have to first compute the summation, because that has higher precedence than not equal to. So given these values, when we add the 3 things here, we get 6. And obviously 6 is not equal to 1. So since 6 is not equal to 1 is true, therefore z, which is this thing, it means that z is 1. So basically the outcome of this operation becomes the whole thing, z is true, which means z is 1. Now z is 1, the next line is a little bit tricky. In the next line, we have a z plus 1 to z assignment, and we have a z plus 2 to z assignment again. So if we think of this sequentially, it would be wrong, because if we think of it sequentially, then with z equal to 1, we think that z plus 1, so we first think that this first is going to say, okay, z is equal to 1 plus 1, which means 2, and then if we think of it sequentially, it looks like as if we are saying again z plus 2 equal to 1, and then we are saying z equal to z plus 2, hence it's 2 plus 2, 4, which is incorrect. The right way of thinking about the fourth line is thinking about in parallel. So it's as if we are saying, hey, z plus 1 is assigned to z, at the same time z plus 2 is assigned to z, but this happens in parallel. So since the last assignment is the dominant one, is the final one, therefore what matters is the last one. So z plus 2 assignment to z. Given that z is 1, z plus 2 equal to 3, so that is 1, so z plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. So therefore 3 is assigned to z, and when we print z, it's going to print for us 3. So the correct answer is this one, 3. I hope that this is helpful in terms of highlighting the operator precedence and operation precedence in Python, and at the same time being careful about when we are assigning in the fourth line the last, it's a parallel assignment, and the last one matters.